Hi, I just wanted to share a few of my own thoughts about the Boostly Academy, why I joined and how it's been for me. I joined about a year ago. I run a hotel or two hotels in the Cotswolds. I joined for my own personal development and I enjoy doing it. So it's not me that's getting a financial gain from actually the results of what I do and what I've learned in the Boostly Academy, but I've had the pleasure of doing it and self-fulfillment and grown, and I feel empowered in my own career now. Even though I paid for it for myself, I didn't ask my company to pay for it. And they've had the benefits, I suppose, of what I've implemented learning in the Boostly Academy. I've just enjoyed learning and I recommend anyone do the same. I suppose it's about where you want your business to be in the next 3 years, where you're aiming for. Don't think about where you're going to be in 3 years. You can make the change now, I suppose, and start developing your business today and you'll achieve your goals. The Academy has lots of like-minded people, entrepreneurs, business people, and they're all here to help each other. It's a lovely little community and I can't see any reason why, if it was your own business, you wouldn't join. It's been great fun for me. You can go in and out of it. I've been whole weeks without even logging on, and then in another time I'll spend a lot of time in the academy learning new things, helping me solve problems. I suppose hospitality has big problems, and that's in marketing, it's in HR and everything else. But the Boostly Academy provides lots of small solutions that you can do piecemeal, one at a time, work through it in your own time, and it provides the answers and it helps you. Like I say, take some small steps, join the academy. It'll be the best thing you do for your business.